Earn $10 per click. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $10 or even more per click. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. Now, let's have a look at today's opportunity here. This is worldwide. You don't need any previous experience. I'm going to show you the site, I'm going to show you where to sign up for free, and I'm also going to give you a few tips and ideas on how you can promote this and make $10 per click and even more actually. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so basically first we're going to have a look at the main site here, and this is an online tutoring platform, pretty similar like Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable. This is creativelive.com we are talking about here. So by having a quick look here, they do have here 40 best-selling classes for $29 and under here. But people can come here and go and take some classes. They want to learn something new, and there is different categories. We have photo and video, we have money and life here. You can see that we have lifestyle, money and finance, self-improvement. There is time management, wellness, communication skills, leadership. A lot of categories actually. There is also art and design here, and you can quickly see that there is a lot of courses here. Okay, we have Adobe, After Effects, Illustrator, Photoshop is also very popular. So if you want to learn something about Photoshop, you come here to Creative Live actually. Then we have Craft and Maker, and also music and audio. Okay, so let's say for example you want to learn something about electronic music production, you would have come here. You can have a look at, let's open it up in a new tab so we can have an idea what this is all about here. Okay, so you can see that there is a lot of classes that you can take here. Fast songwriting in Ableton Live here, which is a very popular software for making music actually, and a lot more. Or let's say for example you want to mastering the machine. This is hardware, so you come here and you want to learn everything about this. Or Logic Pro for example, which is probably #1 favorite for all the Apple users who is creating music, producing music actually. So this is basically how it looks on the main site here, and by just scrolling down a little bit here, now how you can make money basically, because that is of course what you're interested in. You can have a look at the section here at the bottom where it says become an affiliate. So if I open it up in a new tab here, so let's have a look at it. The affiliate program, you can make money by connecting your audience to great content. Okay, so look at this first. We have 20% rev share for new customer sales. We have 10% rev share for return customer sales. And we have basically $1 for every new registration sign up. So what this means is that you get $1 as soon as someone signs up. They don't even have to buy any course at all. And here is how you can earn $10 for each referred affiliate actually. So affiliate marketing, the basics here, if you're totally new, you know that you get a link, which is your own link there, and every time someone clicks through that link and purchase something, you get a commission. So that is how affiliate marketing works. It is one of my favorite methods because you don't have to deal with shipping or anything like that. You just promote the affiliate link and you earn a commission. So that is the basics, and this is exactly how it works here too as well. Okay, so you can see here they do have a real-time tracking system, so you can quickly see what is happening at the back office there. Okay, and you can earn even more here. So as I said, this is only one of the opportunities. Our average order sizes are over $100. Earn commission on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click there. Okay, so it is cookied for 30 days, which means your affiliate link is cookied for 30 days, and whenever someone purchases a new course within these 30 days, you make a commission of that too. Okay, you saw here 20% rev share and 10% for returning customer sales there. So a lot of opportunities actually to make money. Let's have a quick look here before we proceed actually at the frequently asked questions. So what is the Creative Live affiliate program and how does it work? The affiliate program is a service that allows participating websites to earn commissions on sales referred to Creative Live using specially tracked links. We provide you with custom links and banners, so there is also banners available here you can post on your website. It totally depends on your way that you are going to promote this, so you can actually utilize banners as well here. Now, is my website eligible? You have to, of course, enter your website. Are there any fees? There are no fees associated with the Creative Live affiliate program. They do accept affiliates from anywhere in the world, so this is worldwide, as long as ShareASale supports your country of residence. So ShareASale is actually an affiliate network. Let me see here if I have it somewhere. I think, yes, there we have it. This is actually an affiliate network, so you do need, of course, to sign up here, but the benefits are that you have a lot of other products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. So it's definitely worth to take that 5 minutes and fill in the details as detailed as possible, so you can be approved here with this network. Okay, they have a lot of things, as I said, and I can't go inside here, but you can see quickly we're talking about home and garden merchants, fashion merchants, green merchants, a lot of products and stuff that you can make commissions with ShareASale there. All right, let's go back here a little bit. And what is your commission rate? We pay a 20% commission rate for new customer purchases, 10% for returning customer purchases, and a $1 lead payout for new registrations. Okay, so I mean, how cool is that? You just have to find the people to sign up and you make $1. All right, so I mean, use your imagination. I'm going to share with you a few tips here real soon as we finished here, but I hope that you can really quickly realize how fast you can make money with this opportunity here. All right, basically I don't think I will proceed here. You can have a look at the rest of the details here, the frequently asked questions, which I do recommend you should read anyway before you get started to sign up with this opportunity. All right, so the company has been established since 2009. I had a look at the About section here. You can see 2009 here. We have business channel launches with Ramit Sethi, Tim Ferriss, and Lewis Howes. These are definitely well-known people in the industry. So it has a good reputation, definitely worth to promote this online tutoring platform. Now, there are so many possibilities that you can actually promote this. I mean, you can quickly just go to Facebook, post on these groups, and basically use your imagination here. So don't go ahead and say sign up for free here or whatever, but you can have a look at, actually, if I go back here, there is something I just came up with this. Okay, so you can have a look at free courses here. Okay, so what you can do is you can mention in one of the social media platforms, it can be Twitter, it can be Facebook or whatever. Hey guys, I just took a free online course on, let's say, photographers here. I learned so much stuff. I highly recommend you to go through this. And if people who follows you are photographers, I will definitely have a look at it. So use that as to tell people to go actually and have a look at it and click through my link to sign up for that free course. Okay, so basically you get $1 for just the sign up there. Now if they go ahead and promote, of course, Creative Live, you get $10 per click. Okay, really simple and easy maths here. So this was just one method. Okay, you can go to a Facebook, you can go to a group. Look at this, Make Money Online group. We have 70,000 members and so on. You can do the exact same thing here. I just took a free course about making, etc. I don't know what is available right now at Creative Live, and I learned tons of stuff. If you want to learn more, just drop more info here below, and I send you a private message. Okay, it's not so wise actually to just post a link there. Okay, it will look spammy and Facebook might not like it either, so just avoid to do that. It's better to have more engaging people by telling them, if you're interested and want to learn more, please hit more info or something like that. Write more info right here below or something like that, or drop me a PM. It works much better. People are more engaged in actually taking that action and go through your link later on. So it's definitely worth to go that route. So this was just another way. Okay, I mean, you can go to Twitter, for example. If you do Twitter, you can go to Blogger blog. You can tell that you can write an article actually and tell that you went through a free course and you learned so much new stuff, and I highly recommend you to take this course while it's still free. Okay, and of course use your link there. All right, so there you have it. Now just one more thing, and that is use something like Bitly, a shortening link. Okay, so this is a long ugly link, and this is how pretty similar it will look actually by getting a link shortener here. Okay, so I recommend to use Bitly. It's totally free to sign up with Bitly here and use that. So there you have it, Creative Live. Go ahead, have a look at it and get started to earn up to $10 per click, or even more actually. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing like you just saw here and a lot more, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. And you also find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.